Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Coinbase wallet security settings. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your Coinbase wallet app on your device. Enter your passcode or biometric authentication if prompted. Once you're in the app, tap on the gear icon located in the upper right corner. This will take you to your settings menu. Scroll down and select the security option. In the security settings, you'll see various options available to enhance your wallet's security. Start by enabling two-step verification. Tap on two-step verification to go to the setup screen. Follow the prompts to link your preferred authentication method. You can choose from options like SMS or an authentication app. After setting up two-step verification, return to the security settings. Next, check if the Face ID or fingerprint option is available. If you want to use biometric authentication, toggle this option on. Now, scroll down to the recovery phrase section. Ensure you have securely written down and stored your recovery phrase. This phrase is crucial for accessing your wallet if you lose your device. If you have already saved it, tap on Review Recovery Phrase to confirm that you remember it. Lastly, consider reviewing any other security features like Connect to Hardware Wallet. This can provide an extra layer of protection for your cryptocurrency. Once you've made all the desired changes, exit the Settings menu. Your Coinbase wallet is now configured with enhanced security settings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.